Hey everyone. I've just discovered an incredible new text to speech model, and it's called Kokoro TTS. This model is making waves and outperforming some of the most popular options available in the market right now. Let me tell you why Kakuro TTS is quickly becoming one of the top rated text to speech models out there. Many of you might already be familiar with 11 Labs, which is a fantastic option. But here's the catch: 11 Labs isn't free. On the other hand, Kakuro TTS is completely free and open source, making it a game changer for anyone looking to generate unlimited text to speech audio without breaking the bank. Using Kakuro TTS is super simple. All you need to do is enter your text in the prompt box, hit the generate button, and your speech is ready on the right-hand side. Oh, and here's the best part. You'll find a download option and even a share button right there, making it super convenient to use. All right, let me play this sound for you so you can hear the magic of Kokoro TTS.
Hey everyone, this is Simplify AI. Welcome to this channel.
All right, let's keep exploring Kakuro TTS. So here's what I've done. I've written a quick text that says, "Hey everyone, this is Simplify AI. Welcome to this channel." And guess what? Kakuro TTS generated a voice for it seamlessly. Now, here's where it gets even better. You can choose from a variety of voices like Heart, Spirit, Legacy, Bella, and Sarah. Plus, you've got both male and female voice options, so you can pick the one that suits your project or vibe perfectly. For this demo, I selected the Heart voice. Now, watch this. I'll click on the generate button, and in just a few seconds, the speech is ready.
Hey everyone, this is Simplify AI. Welcome to this channel.
And listen to this. It's delivering a sound quality that's on par with premium models. But wait, there's more. Kakuro TTS even lets you switch between different country accents. Want your text read in a French accent? No problem. Prefer a Japanese or another supported accent? You've got it. Currently, it supports 6 countries, and it's incredibly easy to toggle between them. This flexibility makes Kakuro TTS an absolute powerhouse for content creators, voiceover artists, or anyone who loves experimenting with accents and tones. First off, here's an exciting update. In the Kakuro version 19, the voices Bella and Sarah have been open sourced on Hugging Face Spaces. Not only that, but this version now supports 5 languages, making it even more versatile for global users. Now let's talk about the ultimate showdown. I'm heading over to TTS Arena to directly compare Kakuro TTS with the premium 11 Labs model. On the left-hand side, I'll select 11 Labs, and on the right-hand side, I'll choose Kakuro. And here's how the test works. I'll input the same text into both models, click the synthesize button, and let them generate their respective outputs. Once that's done, we'll compare the voice quality head to head. First up, 11 Labs. Let me play the audio generated by 11 Labs.
Today is a beautiful day filled with endless possibilities and boundless joy.
Wow. That's quite impressive. Now it's Kakaro's turn. Let me play the audio from Kakaro.
Today is a beautiful day filled with endless possibilities and boundless joy.
And there you have it. Honestly, I'd pick Kakaro, not just because it's open source, but because it's delivering speech quality that's just as good as 11 Labs, if not better in some cases. For me, Kakaro takes the win here. It's free, open source, and generates speech that rivals premium models like 11 Labs. But don't just take my word for it. Head over to TTS Arena Battle, try it out yourself, and see which one you prefer. I'll drop the link in the description box below. Let's wrap this up with some incredible details about Kokoro TTS. Here's the Hugging Face link where you can explore this amazing model. What's truly fascinating is that Kakuro TTS was trained on less than 100 hours of audio. Now, compare that to other models in the market. Despite its smaller training dataset, Kakuro TTS is delivering top-tier performance that's right up there with the best in the industry. The best part, you can use Kakuro TTS commercially for your projects, and it's completely free and available on Hugging Face. In my next video, I'll show you how to integrate Kakuro TTS into Google Colab so you can generate as much speech as you want with ease. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be super exciting. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and updates on cutting-edge tech like this. See you in the next one.